Hello guys, welcome to our channel. So today in this video we are going to show you botanical garden in Darjeeling. So let's start the video. So this is the botanical garden which was established in 1878 and you can see this wonderful garden. The botanical garden of Darjeeling opens from 8 am to 3 pm daily. So you can see here ticket, it costs 20 rupees per person. But if you are a student and if you have ID card, they will charge just 5 rupees. So this time we thought to visit this garden and have a small picnic. So you can join us in this video. So you can see this place full of greenery. Because of no parking facilities, we can hardly see some tourists visiting this place. But this place will be visited mostly by the locals and the students, because we can see a wide variety of flora collected in this region, and especially botany students used to visit for the study purpose. The botanical garden in Darjeeling is named after William Lloyd, who was the owner of the Lloyd Bank during the British India days. He gave as a gift this sprawling 40 acres of land on an open hill slope for making one of the best gardens in Asia. The land was handed over to Sir Ashley Eden and the garden was established in 1878. Eden was then the secretary to the government of Bengal. This garden also provides a wonderful opportunity for kids as well as students to learn about native and rare flora of West Bengal. You will be really amazed to see the rich variety of flora preserved here. So this is Orchidarium. So inside here you can see a wide variety of orchids. So come, let's have a look. And then you can have lots of varieties of orchid over here. So if you are really orchid lover, then you can come and visit this place. So if you are thirsty, you can even have water here. Rare and endemic orchids which are found in the Singalila Ridge are also preserved in this botanical garden. It is dotted with tall trees of bamboo and oak, carpeted with flowers of rhododendron, Serranium, Mongolia, and the garden gets covered with different hues of nature with the arrival of the spring. The rich variety of flora preserved in this place makes it a paradise, both for botanists and nature lovers. One of the most striking of all is the weeping willow. It is so named because of its dropping branches and leaves that give a falling or a weeping impression. You can just keep gazing at this one for long. So after visiting this weeping willow, we decided to have our lunch. So these are some of the pictures we took while having lunch. So of course, when you visit this garden, you can have lunch there also, but make sure to clean the surroundings. And this is large conservatory. So inside here you can see various flora, various plants, and they have conserved it really well. If you see this garden carefully, it has been designed over 3 sections. The upper section is where you will see the various indigenous Himalayan plantations. The garden actually started from here to study the flora of Darjeeling Himalayan region. Subsequently, plants from nearby Sikkim area like rhododendrons have also been added in this section. The middle section is where there is a large collection of fern and conifer trees, along with alpine collections. There is also a separate greenhouse or a conservatory here that houses sections like the cactus displaying some 150 species. So in this video you can see there are almost 150 varieties of cactus, which has an also amazing collection of 150 cactus. So here you can see very unique thing. And this is a 2 living fossil trees that have been bought from China. So when you come to Botanical Garden, you can enjoy these 2 living fossil also. Another highlight of LLOYD Botanical Garden is the pair of living fossil, which has been preserved here with utmost care. So you can see here the living fossil and they have preserved it very well. You will see a tree ginkgo biloba of prehistoric time. This is a sanctuary created with old Himalayan cherries. It's a place where you can relax and have a good pleasure time. The lower section is full of colorful exotic plants that have been brought from various countries across the world. You will see some great plantations here like blackberry, birch, etc. that have been imported from Europe, then plums, cherries, weeping willows, etc. from China and Japan. Entry has been traditionally free for the past 140 years since the botanical garden was first opened. However, effective mid-March 2018, the authorities have decided to introduce an entry fee of 20 rupees per person. The fund collected would be used towards maintenance, development and research. There are also plans for drinking water facility and cafeteria. So we are done with this. So we visited almost all the places of this garden. So now it's time to go back home. So I just want to encourage you guys to visit this place, which is just in the heart of the Darjeeling town. It's just a walkable distance from Darjeeling town bazaar. So you can definitely visit this place and have a good time here. Thank you so much. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. See you in the next video.